This is just crazy. I can't stop doing this. Please help. I need help. Please. Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today, I'm a little too low. Let me get up. Okay. Man, don't you just hate it when you try to wear your shirt inside your pants and you try to get up and it always comes out of your pants? I just hate it. If only there was something that could help me with that. All right. There's belts, of course. So, guess what I'm gonna be unboxing today? That's right, a belt, but not any belt. We got here today, package sent from Groove Live. Hey, but isn't Groove Live the company that made those amazing silicone rings? Yeah, yes it is. And not long ago, they made a Kickstarter, and this is their new product, the Groove Belt. I just received this today. Let's open it up. And yes, this is a safe way of opening this kind of packages. So, really nice. Look at this. Just look at it. This is gray color. It has a gunmetal buckle. Looks amazing. It's really good. Really good looking. Here you can see it. Groove Live Groove Belt. Magnetic buckle. Easy adjust. Perfect stretch. And their no BS unlimited warranty. So, why Kickstarter? Isn't Kickstarter supposed to be about technology? No. Kickstarter is about any company that wants to get a new product onto market and wants to test if people would really like to buy their product or not. So Kickstarter just kickstarts it. And this has been one of the Kickstarter campaigns. It was really successful. Let's try it on. Ooh, stretches. Awesome. I knew it stretched, but I didn't know it was this stretchy. Feels really good. Man, it looks good. I really like it. I really like it a lot. Okay, it's supposed to be magnetic. Oh. Okay. It just latches on. Man, it's really easy. You can just do it by almost putting it close by and it'll latch on. Nice. Let me adjust it a bit. There you go. Gotta be rough on it. There you go. Gotta be a little rough on it. It's really strong. Let's put it on. This feels amazing. It stretches so It moves with you. See? Oh, that shirt ain't coming out. That shirt ain't coming out of this pants. Man, it feels good. This is not just a belt. This is definitely a fidget. It's so strong. Man, I'm impressed. It looks real good. It goes in really easy. And it comes out really easy too. This is just crazy. This thing gives me a weird satisfaction that I wasn't expecting. This is just weird. It just clicks. You know, this is definitely gonna be a problem because I'm gonna be opening and closing it all day. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these amazing belts or one of their silicone rings, just go to groovelife.com and you can order from there. If you want to help me stop this, please subscribe to my channel. Help me get this curse off. Help me stop this. Subscribe, please. Now, do it. Below, do it. This was my first Kickstarter unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Peace. What are you doing here? Subscribe. Hit it. Hit it. Here. Hit it. Subscribe. Hit it. Hit it. Now. Hit it. Subscribe.